guys, thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian 100%. Guys, today we're going to make a very nice and quickly chicken fry, pollo fritto, but the Chinese style. Is super easy. We need 350 ml of water, 250 grams of flour, white flour, plain flour, corn flour 50 grams, one red, just red from the eggs, of course chicken thighs from the breast, small is better is for fry. We need some baking powder and salt. Okay, first step is this oil, because it's very quick. Okay, I use sunflower oil. You have to deep fry it. We need white, very generous amount. Okay, we need a big bowl, and we start. Flour, maizena, corn flour, one, just the red to the egg, teaspoon baking powder, a teaspoon of sunflower oil, like this, water, just salt, how much you like, and mix everything. Start slowly, and later with a little bit more energy. You can you can fry everything with this mix, chicken, vegetable, everything you like. Okay, you're gonna have something like this. It's done. Okay? Easy. When the oil is ready, you can start. I recommend you to put the stuff inside. I put some chicken. I use just breast. Easy. I will fry some ring onions for rico, and some mushrooms. That's it. Mix everything. Okay guys, when the oil in 5-6 minutes is ready, very nice temperature, I show you how fry this, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, the oil is ready. It's around 180-200 degrees. Make ready one plate with raw and we start. Easy, okay? Okay, around 3-4 minutes, okay? And you know, the first become very white like this, but later it start being different color. When it's ready in 3-4 minutes, I show you, okay? See you in 3-4 minutes, okay? Okay guys, 4 minutes, hang on. Oh yeah, and we can stay out. They look amazing. And now I'm going to do all this chicken and later some onion and mushroom, okay? See you when everything is done, okay? Okay guys, everything is ready. Chicken breast, onion rings and champignon mushroom. It's beautiful. And now it's just time to... delicious. Guys, absolutely delicious. Well, the chicken Chinese style and like tempura is not properly tempura, but it's delicious, quickly, tasty, and that's it. The chicken is this, and if you like, just finger up and follow us. Ciao!
Finger up and follow us.